Hey beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to, how to remove tan from your face, neck, hands, and knees overnight using simple home remedies. Research shows that prolonged exposure to UV rays can lead to skin tanning, which is actually a sign of skin damage as the body produces more melanin to protect against further UV harm. Consistent sun tanning can increase the risk of skin aging, sunburn, and even skin cancer over time. Whether you've been out in the sun too long or just want to even out your skin tone, I've got you covered with some easy and effective tips. Let's get started. Lemon and honey mixture. Lemon is a natural bleaching agent, and honey moisturizes and soothes the skin. To make this recipe, you will need to squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into a bowl. Add a tablespoon of honey and mix well. Apply the mixture to the tanned areas. Leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Repeat daily for best results. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is known for its healing properties and can help lighten tan over time. Extract fresh aloe vera gel from the leaf. Apply the gel directly to the tanned skin before going to bed. Leave it on overnight and wash it off in the morning. Use this remedy daily for quick results. Cucumber extract. Cucumber is incredibly soothing and cooling for the skin, helping to reduce tan and refresh your skin. So for this recipe, you will need to grate a cucumber and squeeze out the juice. Apply the juice with a cotton ball on the tanned areas. Let it sit for 15-20 minutes and then rinse with cold water. Do this twice a day for maximum effectiveness. Tomato pulp. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants that help lighten tan and rejuvenate the skin. So for this recipe, you will need to blend a ripe tomato into a pulp. Apply the pulp evenly over the tanned areas. Leave it on for 20 minutes before washing off with water. For added benefits, mix a bit of yogurt with the tomato pulp. Graham flour and turmeric pack. This age-old remedy works wonders for tan removal and gives your skin a healthy glow. For this recipe, you will need to mix 2 tablespoons of graham flour with a pinch of turmeric. Add enough milk or rose water to form a thick paste. Apply the paste to the tanned skin and leave it on until it dries. Gently scrub it off with lukewarm water. Use this pack 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Potato juice. Potatoes have natural bleaching properties that can help lighten tanned skin. So for this recipe, you will need to grate a potato and extract its juice. Apply the juice to the tanned areas using a cotton ball. Let it sit for 20 minutes before washing off with cold water. Do this daily to see a noticeable difference. Oatmeal and buttermilk scrub. This scrub not only removes tan, but also exfoliates and nourishes the skin. So for this recipe, you will need to mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 3 tablespoons of buttermilk. Gently massage the mixture onto the tanned skin in circular motions. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes before rinsing off with water. Use this scrub 2 to 3 times a week. Bonus tips. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Always wear sunscreen when you step out, even if it's cloudy. Moisturize. Keep your skin moisturized to prevent dryness and further tanning. A simple, effective home remedy routine to remove tan from your face, neck, hands, and knees overnight. Try these steps and let us know in the comments how they worked for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay glowing.